Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bigger Than Race, exposure to all things truth, whether you like it or not, with unique perspectives from different beings from all walks of life. This is Bigger Than Race. Investigate truth on your own terms. Now, in this video, I'm going to do an open box of my new SUPERBORED APE Yacht Club sculpture. Tune in. Now, let's go. I'm really excited. I waited a long time to receive this item. I collect a lot of different things, a lot of cars, a lot of different sculptures from many designers and artists all over the world. Now, when I saw the opportunity to have one of these Bored Ape Yacht Club sculptures, I was blown away. I jumped on it immediately and I made it happen. And I feel like we waited about a year to actually receive this item. But I have the item here. It finally came and I'm going to show it to you. Now, I already took it out the box. This is it here. I haven't even looked at this thing yet other than the box itself. But we're going to get a close-up look on this SUPERBORED. Now, this came from, where did it come from again? This came from Super Plastic. Super Plastic, shout out to Super Plastic. I got it here, y'all. Yeah, Super Plastic, SUPERBORED. Boom. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see it. Packaging is sick, it's dope. This is a high-end item. And you know, it's gonna fit well in all of my display cases. And the reason why I bought this because it is crypto related, blockchain related. So, you know, I like to be up on those trends and I like to always have what everybody else doesn't have. So it is official. You can see here the official Bored Ape Yacht Club logos with Super Plastic as well. It was a collaboration. I believe they released about 4 or 5 of these. I only bought one. A lot of them sold out really quickly. Of course, they gave me a sticker, boom, matching it. Now, let's see here. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Boom. Dope stuff. Dope packaging. You always know something's high-end based on the packaging. Ooh, this is heavy. Heavy, nice quality. I already know this is some good, dope, customized sculpture. Ooh, oh shit, this is dope. It's really heavy. You don't want to drop it because I think it will break. Well, check this out. This is sick. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I know I gotta put it somewhere dope. Check out the shoes. Looking like some cool Kais. Super dope, SUPERBORED, Super Plastic with Super Brando. Oh, I'm like the modern day crypto superhero. I help save people. I've helped prevented people from crypto deaths, loss of money, and I help people win. So I am a modern day superhero. Go figure. But this is seriously, this is a super cool piece, a super cool sculpture. I can't wait to display it. Shout out to Super Plastic. Shout out to SUPERBORED and the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yo, you guys did an amazing job with this. I'm really glad that you did it. I mean, I don't know what to say. Get a close-up look at it. You can't get these everywhere. You're not gonna really find them. I think there was only 500 of these made. I like getting exclusive things that people don't have. That's why I have the crypto assets that I have, and that's why I have the NFTs that I do have. People don't have them, not many. So I'm exclusive. I just wanted to share this with you because I'm just excited that I got it and I'm happy about that. So you'll see it on my videos somewhere in the back of me. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Super Plastic. Bring more opportunities like this. I would love to see other NFT collaborations. But yeah, dope piece. You know who this is? Brando. Yeah. Ooh. chose monkeys to make mainstream in NFTs. I've been thinking,